This is how we find the square root of decimal numbers. And I have an example here with me. Find the square roots of the following. Let me start with the first one. Roman 1, 0.25. I want to find the square root of 0.25. You just convert the decimal or this decimal into a fraction, then you proceed to find the square root of that. Now let us convert this into fraction. You just ignore the decimal, so you write the number without the decimal. 0.25 is the same as 25 divided by, after the decimal we have how many numbers? 1, 2. Therefore we shall have 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 2 zeros. And now that is what you want to find, its square root. And here you can separate them. You say you find the square root of the numerator separately, and you find the square root of the denominator separately. That is 100. So the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 100 is 10. So you can convert it to decimal, or fraction. You see by 5 1 by 5 2, it is a half, or in decimal it is 0.5 in decimal, or if you want to write it in as a fraction, it is just 1/2. Another example, I have it here with me. Find the square root of 0.04. You just need to convert this to a fraction. Just ignore the decimal. You write the number the way it is written. 0.04 is the same as 4. Out of, after the decimal we have how many numbers? 1, 2. So we shall have 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2. We have 2 numbers after the decimal, therefore we have 100. Now I want us to find the square root of now that number. You just separate them. You find the square root of the numerator 4. You divide by the square root of the denominator 100. Now what is the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 100 is 10. You can simplify by 2 1 by 2 5, which is the same as 1/5, or you can write it in decimal. That is 2/10. You get 0.2, meaning the square root of 0.04 is 0.2 in decimal. Thank you for watching.